Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can instantly get a cinematic video by only using a CapCut filter. So here I'm going to show you the filter that I usually use for a cinematic video. So here I'm going to go to filter. The first one is under the live category. So if you want to like a moody cinematic video, you can use this Berlin filter. You can adjust it to how you like it, for example 100. And the second one, you can try also the Las Vegas here, Las Vegas. So it will have like a sunny mood effect like this. So you can just try which one that you think fits your video the best, but I personally like this one the best, especially if you have a video with a good a good lighting. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.